Mr. Antonio and Jenny Hidalgo, 22 million. Top 17, Cavite Group, Madam Carissa Torado, with 20 million. Top 16, the MVP, 21.1 million. Ang Rowena Gila from Cavite Group. From Marikina Group, SM Gilmar Bacordo, 24.2 million. Top 14, Ang Shirley Baron, 24 million. Cavite Group. Top 13, Mr. Josapat Abulanza. 24.2 million. Marikina Group. From Cavite Group, Mr. Joselito Nesa, 25 million. Top 12. Top 11, from Marikina Group, Ma'am Crescenta Erico, 27 million. Top 10, from Cavite Group, Erwin Sarcilla, 32 million. Top 9, from Cavite Group, Ayun, Sir Iron and Rosalyn Patigila, 24 million. Top 8, from Cavite Group, ang Diyos sa taas. Sir Pat pala. Sir Pat, mayari ka lahat sa'yo. Marami nagkaharap sa'yo. Josel Caldizan, 42 million. Top 7. Uy, ganda lang naman, no? Mr. Elgin and Grace Badjan, 44 million. Pag maraming benta, nakakaganda na lang kayo, no? Top 6, Cavite Group, 52 million. Mr. Jojo Dandan, top 5. Ano, dapat nasa Hall of Fame na ito eh. Mr. Ryan Montejo, 53 million from Cavite Group. Top 4. The big one. The big 2. From Gina Shoko and Alvin Cultura, 55 million. Top 3. Uy, abang-abang, 55 million. From Benji Marabina. From top 3 agad. Top 2. From Marikina Group, Gobi and Jojo Marcelo. Ay, sorry, tama. 92 million. And ang top na join natin performance, Doa Berdan, SDP, Danilo, and Maylin Bantayan. 105 million. Yes, sir?